Okay, I received a question from Julie. I normally write it down, but I'm going to be using my hands. The question was along the lines of, Grant, I'm stuck in isolation. I've only got a couple of light kettlebells and I want to do some pressing stuff, but they're just way too light and I don't want to be doing ultra high reps. So how can I make the kettlebells feel heavier? So I've got two options for you. The very first one is a stacked press. So what you do is you get two bells and you stack them on top of one another like this. Now, this challenges the grip so much more because obviously the grip is opened up and you've got to crush them a lot more to keep them on top of one another. And then I've just got two 12 kilos here, so I've taken that one 12 kilo, I've doubled the weight into a 24, and now this is so much heavier for pressing. So with your two fours, you can take your 4 kilo and turn it into 8. So there's option one, again, called the stacked press. Option two is you can go into something called a bottoms up. So bottoms up is you take that 4 kilo, you turn it upside down. This also challenges the grip and you have to create so much more tension through the forearm and your whole entire arm. Rotator cuff turns on so much more as well with this pressing variation as well, bottoms up. So there's two ways that you can play around with to make your lighter bells feel a little bit more heavier for some of your pressing work. Thanks for watching and I'll talk to you soon.